Hello and welcome back to Tammy's Dolls, and today I have a box opening. Like I told you, I don't want to buy too many dolls off of eBay because of shipping, but this was one back a while ago before I made that decision. So, but at the same time, you'll see why. Anyhow, let's open her up. What was this here? Okay. There we go. There. Okay. Oh, very well packed. I think these packing peanuts are the kind that are like baking soda type. They dissolve right in your water, like you just put water on them and they dissolve. But we'll just throw them on my table for now. These are keeping very well packed. These are serious people that, I think if this, I'm not sure which one this is. Now I'm starting to doubt myself here. Oh, this is what I thought it was. Okay. I don't know if it's gonna hold through though. There we go. Oh, almost came out of it. Okay. Let's just put this down here like this. Alright, here we go. There we go. This is a little trunk. But what could be in this nice old little trunk? Let's zoom in up on the trunk first. The leathery type papery stuff is really loose on it. It needs to be conditioned, which I'll have to do. You get old little stickers. You know, back in the day, trunks would travel around the world and they put stickers on. We were a traveling family there for quite some time. We traveled all through Canada, United States and everything. And we had a half-ton truck with a camper on the back because there were 6 of us. I had 3 brothers. And we traveled all through Canada and the United States back in the 70s. And every time we went to a state or a province, we would put a sticker on the back of our camper. And we had it just full. Or if we saw a special site, we just put the sticker on the back. We always made sure we had this decal. And it was just loaded full of places where we went. But anyhow, let's open this up and let's see what it looks like on the inside. Are we ready? In 3, 2, 1. Boom. Oh, there's a doll in there. Well, of course. This is a 13-inch Shirley Temple doll. She's going to need some work. Oh, that's just my oven ready for me to throw in my mac and cheese. She's marked on the back, Shirley Temple, 13 inches. On the back of the head, Shirley Temple. Now, I don't think these are her original clothes at all. No, these are not. But they're nice. There was a cowboy Shirley Temple, even at this size. And then you have all your little drawers where you can put things in. She has her little cowboy hat, which is still nice for her all the same. Quite pleased with that part of it. But I knew when I got her those were not her original clothes. This one's missing the button, the little drawer. I'll get something there to put on there. But this is quite nice. A nice display of, you know, like of clothing and just the trunk itself. I don't have a trunk. This is my first doll trunk. And with the doll that comes, well, this probably does go back to her time period, but this is not a Shirley Temple trunk. I think this is just a generic trunk at the time. There was a Shirley Temple trunk. Now, I want to also reserve that because I could be wrong. This could be a trunk that was hers for the 13-inch. But I thought they had Shirley Temple's picture on them. I could be wrong. Someone out there, they know more than me about the trunks. Let me know. But, wow, this is very nice. But it is to her time period, though. So, very nice. But she really doesn't fit it to fit into it. You can see, to store the doll, they're supposed to be able to fit in there. And she's 13 inches, and you can see she's just not fitting in there. Now, we could fit her on the side like this. So that's what makes me think maybe it's not her trunk. So, because she's supposed to fit in there right up and down like this. So I think it's just a generic trunk for her. That's all it was. But hey, I'm still happy with this trunk. Nice to have. It's a background piece and to display and everything. So, oh, very nice, nice. Yes, I just love it. So, I hope you love this box opening. You can see why I got it. Again, very cheap price. Wasn't pricey at all. I had one other person bidding against me. You can see the wood back here where it's a bit damaged. So it's very fragile. You know, I'm going to have to condition this. I don't know if this is leather. It really feels like paper. It's like a paper put across it to look like leather. Especially in here. It just has a papery look to it. Maybe leather goes like that. I don't know much about leather as well. So I don't want to pull this stuff off because this whole sticker thing that's on here is very genuine to the doll and I want to the trunk. So I want to keep the everything as original as possible to it. But oh, very nice, well put together. Wow. All right, I hope you enjoyed this, and you like my Shirley Temple here. She's going to need some work on, and her cowboy outfit, which is not, this is not true to her. I'm more than sure this is a very much a up-to-date, even her shoes are. So anyways, we'll come back again with some more for you there, and Shirley Temple is going to sign out. There we go. Well, she's going to fall back now. I've got to put her head forward. Okay, there we go. Hope you enjoyed this, and we'll be coming back with some more.
Thank you for joining us.
Bye-bye.